Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we need to first construct a triangle ABC. We are given the length AB and BC and the angle of ABC. So without further ado, let's start. I'm going to first draw a line. This will be my point A, 9.8 cm. I'm going to measure using the ruler and the compass. 9.8 cm, which will be here. Okay. And once I make sure that it is 9.8 cm, I am going to put the pointed tip at point A and draw an arc. This will be the working on how I construct a line segment with accurate measurements. Now, angle ABC is 50 degrees with BC 7 cm. So I am going to take out my protractor next and measure 50 degrees. 0, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I'm going to just join. This will be 50 degrees. These two done. BC is 7 cm, and to show that working, that you are doing a construction using a compass, do use the compass and the ruler, measure 7 cm. Then use the pointed tip to place at point B. And we draw an arc, and the intersection point will be my point C. And this will be my 7 cm. To end off, join point A and point C. And we have successfully constructed a triangle. Now with this triangle, draw or construct the angle bisector of BAC. That means this angle here. So I'm going to place the pointed tip at the angle. Make sure you draw two arcs on the two lines that make the angle. Bring the pointed tip to the intersection point. Draw an arc. Move the pointed tip of the compass to the other intersection point. Draw the second arc such that there is an intersection here. And with that, all we have to do is to draw this line. This will be my angle bisector of angle BAC. I'm going to label A part 1. Perpendicular bisector of AC, which is this line here. So to help, I'm going to turn around so that it's easier for me to draw. With the compass, do make sure that the length here is more than half of the line. So I'm going to have one arc here. And I'm going to draw another line here, another arc here. Move the pointer tip to the other point. In this case, is point C. draw an arc on top such that it make an intersection with the arc that we have previously drawn. Continue to the other side of the line. And now that we have the two intersection of the arcs, we can then join them using a ruler. And this particular line will be my perpendicular bisector of AC. Let's move on to part B. P is a point such that it is equal distance from line AB and AC. Line AB and AC equal distance means it must be somewhere on this angle bisector. And yet, at the same time, it is also equal distance from point A and point C, which is somewhere on this perpendicular bisector. So where do you think this point P is? Very good. Point P is at this intersection point. Okay, this is my B. Because only at this point here, it is at equal distance from A and C, and also equal distance from the line AC and AB. Okay? And for part C, using a ruler, measure the length of B and P, BP. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take out my ruler. So it will be about 6.2 cm. Alright, so the answer for part C, I'm going to write it here, 6.2 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this problem. Thank you for watching this part of the video, and let's move on to solve more mathematics problems.